Welcome to English Blackboard Teacher Channel. Welcome to Teacher's English lesson. Today I am going to introduce to you WH question words and the functions. There are 8 types of WH question words as you can see on the blackboard. Now let's look into their functions for each WH question words. The question word what is actually used to ask about things and actions. What are you doing? What is your name? What are you reading? To ask about something so you can get information about the thing. The question word why, the function of why is actually to ask for a reason. Why are you happy? Why are you crying? Why are you doing this? To ask reasons. The question word when and where always comes together. So when, the usage of when is to ask about the time of an event, and the usage of where is to ask about the location, direction, or a place the event is happening. The question word who and whose also come together. So who basically refers to ask about people. Who is your teacher? And whose to ask about possession. Whose book is this? Whose CD is that? The question word which is to ask about something very special. Which book is yours? Which umbrella is yours? Which way did he go? Information which is very specific. The last WH question word is how. How has 4 functions. How something happens. How did that accident happen? How to do something. How can I learn drawing? How someone is feeling. How are you feeling today morning? And to ask about amount and quantity. How much rice should I put into? That is all for today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to English Blackboard Teacher channel to get updated with latest tutorials. For resources, click on the link in the description box. We'll see students in the next lesson. Thank you.